Before leaving for the Hajj, remember that Hajj absolves you of all sins that you have committed against Allah. But if you have committed a sin or a crime against a person, that will not be forgiven by performing the Hajj. That has to be forgiven by the person against whom you have done something wrong. So make sure you contact people who you have wronged, ask for their forgiveness. Because without that forgiveness, it will not really change anything. It will get your sins forgiven for of course, huququllah, but not for the rights of others. So contact them. It's a good opportunity to refresh friendships, relationships, connect with relatives, and maybe even improve on the relationship, the previous one. And yes, when you do ask forgiveness, do not command them. I get emails commanding me to forgive them. So that's not how it's done. Be nice, be respectful, be polite. And it's a good way to, inshallah, have a better relationship with people via this. So may Allah connect us to each other in the true spirit of Islamic brotherhood.